I'm not even sure where to start tonight, but I think maybe I should remind everybody that a year ago I stood up here with a little bit of a smaller audience and talked about what we were doing to try and grow the program to meet the needs of our industry partners. And at that time I said we were proud to have graduated nearly 40 people from the program, and that our goal was to try and get us upwards of 75 people in the program. Thanks to your work last year and the work that you continue to do now, I'm very, very pleased to report that we're at a new all-time high. We have enrolled 56 full-time students in the program this year. We have 20 students from our College Connections program that are enrolled in the program. We have an additional 30 people who are taking place in an Intro to Manufacturing program, and we are about to open our evening program this winter. So again, we're well over 100, and I'm going to go on the record to say we're shooting for 200 next year at this time. Thank you. Now, what does that mean? That means of all the community colleges participating in these programs across the state, Housatonic went from 3 years ago being ranked on the bottom to now number 2 statewide. And we are making a difference in Bridgeport. We're the largest city. We have the highest rates of unemployment. We have people in need, but most of all, we have people who really do want to change their lives and are just looking for opportunity. I'm not going to go on. You know about the 100% placement. We could not do that without our industry partners. And our industry partners have been so important to not only building this program, but to help drive the program. As we move forward and we create third semester specialty certificates in specific disciplines within manufacturing, those partnerships become all that much more important. And I'm, again, very thankful for that. I don't want to forget this because it's really, really important. I'm a lucky guy. I came here 3 years ago on about a 2-month assignment, and I can't seem to get away. Bridgeport has turned out to be something that I never, ever expected. And the people that I've met in this community are just unbelievable. And to that point, I want to start with the group that I work with, the Hall of Fame committee. Please, would you just stand up and be recognized? Because we always forget these people. Now, I'm the guy that gets up here to talk about it, but these are the people that do the work, and look at what they've done. It's amazing, and I thank you for being a part of everything that you have created here. It's wonderful. Secondly, Joe and Nestor, I mean, the work that you have helped us to put together, to create the Intro to Manufacturing program. Let me just tell you a few minutes what that's about. And I'm not going to talk much longer, I know. Get me off. We were able, in building a partnership with the Burroughs Community Center and the workplace this year, to offer a program that was cost-free to those people from the greater Bridgeport community who showed an interest in learning more about what this manufacturing program was all about. That resulted in us putting over 80 of those people through a 4-week training course to give them an idea of what it might be like to be a part of this. About 35 of those people decided to enroll in the program full-time this year, and so the program continues to go, and that's so valuable to what it is that we're doing. Can't say enough for that. The other group that I have to, again, say, you heard from Jermaine about our faculty and staff. Again, I'm the guy up here. Those are the people that get it done. And all of you, stand and be recognized because you're doing a phenomenal, phenomenal job. It's a pleasure to work with them. They are so dedicated to what it is that they do, and we drive each other nuts many, many days. They keep coming back for more. And the industry partners, again, couldn't do it without you. I don't want to forget anybody else, but finally, congratulations to all the inductees tonight, to our guests, but most importantly, our sponsors, and to Bloom Shapiro for the work that you've done, for the faith that you've had in sticking with us, and I'm sure that there were challenging times. Look at what's happened tonight. You've helped others to come along, to step along. You've been a tremendous founding sponsor. I can't thank you enough. Enjoy the evening. Congratulations to all. See you back here next year. Bring more friends. Bring more money. Thank you.